appreciate the problem or the formula, let's have this particular example number 4. If y varies directly with the square of x, okay, and inversely with z, and y is equal to 1, and x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2 and z equals to 10, find y when x is 4 and z is 5. So first is, let us establish the fact na ganito yung formula na gagamitin natin. So y varies directly muna, no? Directly, lagyan natin ng k dito, with the square of x. Ano ba yung square of x? X squared. Okay, so x squared. So varies directly, right? And inversely naman, ilalagay sa baba sa z. Yung inversely, ilalagay natin sa baba yan. Okay, and this is the formula representation. Again, this is the formula representation. The given are, ito yung unang given, y equals 1. We want to find here the k once again. Okay? So, gagamitin natin itong unang given na y. Yung y dito, papalitan natin ng 1. Okay? Equals k times yung unang given naman ng x, which is 2 squared. Yung x dito, pinalitan ko ng 2. Okay? Over z. Ano ba yung z? Yung unang given ng z, that is 10. Right? So, yung z dito, pinalitan ko ng 10. Okay. So, simplifying this one, we have 1 equals 2 squared, that is 4k over 10. Again, 2 squared is 4. Inuna ko lang yung 4. Tapos, multiply ko na sa k. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dyan, cross multiplication. We have here, yan, 1 times 4k, that is 4k, right? 10 times 1, that is equal to 10. And we have this particular part. Inuloy ko lang dito. And then, dividing both sides by 4, okay, leaving us k equals 10 over 4. Or we can simplify or get the lowest term. Pwede natin siyang isulat as 5 over 2. And that is equal to our k. Okay? So that is the first step, finding the k. The second step is, gamitin naman natin tong information na to. Okay? Meron tayong x equals 4 and z equals 5. Hanapin natin yung y. Okay? Since meron tayong y equals this formula, this time palitan ko na yung k dyan ng 5 over 2. Okay? 5 over 2 equals the x squared. Yung x squared, yung x natin dito is 4. Right? 4 squared over the z. The z is 5. Okay. So, if you want to simplify this one, first is, simplify muna natin tong 4 squared. So, 4 squared, that is 16. Right? Times 5 over 2 over 5 equals y. Okay? Ayusin natin yung y. Okay? So, simplify natin tong 16. 16 times 5 divided by 2. I think ang lalabas na sagot dyan is 40, if I'm not mistaken. So, let me check using calculator. So, 16 times 5. 80, no? Divided by 2, that is 40. I think the answer for this particular part is 80 divided by 2 over 5. And we can simplify this one, 80 divided by 2, that is going to be 40, right? So, 40 divided by 5, we have y equals 8. Finally, the final answer is y equals 8. Okay, so that is the final answer for this particular example. And for the try number 4, ganun din ang gagawin ninyo. Yung process na ginawa natin dito, find naman din yung y using the process that we did earlier. Okay, may missing na naman dito y. Okay, write your answer in your notebook and we will check sa ating classroom. Okay, 4.